asked people to whack him with a sledgehammer, and even enlisted heavyweight boxer Jess Willard, known for his knockout punches, to give it his best shot.
Show us the blow that knocked out Jack Johnson, will you?
All right.
Fine, good shot. Fine, one more.
You win.
Finally, in a feat for which Cannonball Richards would be forever remembered, he was shot in the belly with a 104-pound cannonball, appearing relatively unfazed by the experience and going on to make a career out of his ability. He took a cannonball to the belly twice a day in front of gobsmacked crowds. Frank Cannonball Richards lived to a ripe old age of 81. Unfortunately,